Supplier balances days outstanding report. A supplier outstanding report is a document that provides a summary of the amounts owed by a company to its suppliers. It's a tool used to track and manage the company's accounts payable. You can access this report from Suppliers, Reports, Supplier balances days outstanding. You can select Run as a date. You can select suppliers. You can select particular supplier or range of suppliers. If you don't select any suppliers, system will display all suppliers. From supplier category, you can select particular supplier category, range of supplier categories. If you don't select any supplier category, system will display all supplier categories. From status, you can select active, inactive, or both suppliers. You can generate this report as a summary report or detailed report. If you check Exclude checkbox, system will exclude suppliers with zero balances. If you check Use foreign currency checkbox, system will display transactions in supplier's currency. Hit View Report button. From this report, you can view each supplier outstanding. You can view supplier name. You can view age buckets, current, 30 days, 60 days, 90 days, 120 plus days, and total due. If you select summary, you can view one line for one supplier. If you check Use foreign currency, system will display supplier balances in supplier's currency. If you check Exclude checkbox, system will not display zero balances suppliers. We will check this exclude and refresh. Now zero balance supplier will not display. We will generate detailed report. If you select detail, system will display transaction-wise outstanding report. From this report, you can view transaction date, transaction number, each buckets, and total due. You can view each supplier total outstanding. Now, for this supplier, there's a minus value and plus value. This may be due to these transactions not allocated. If you uncheck Use foreign currency checkbox, system will display all transactions in home currency. In addition to that, you can view grand total. If you check Use foreign currency checkbox, system will not display grand total. In this report, you can view there are some minus values and plus values. This may be due to we haven't allocated our supplier payments to outstanding invoices. It's better, before you generate this report, allocate all transactions. You can check unallocated transactions. Go to Suppliers, Transactions, Allocate Payments. Select the supplier, refresh. You can see in left side there's an outstanding invoice and right side unallocated items. If you allocate this and save, refresh this document, now you can see that supplier will not display in the report. Like that, before you generate supplier balances this outstanding report, it's better to allocate all unallocated transactions. Furthermore, you can view unallocated transactions from Supplier Unallocated Payments report. You can go to Suppliers, Reports, select Supplier Unallocated Payments, view report. From here, you can view unallocated payments. By clicking this transaction, you can view original document. You can export this report to PDF, Excel, or CSV. You can print this report or email this report.